Dive into the captivating world of 3D HDR environment files that transform virtual reality experiences. These immersive assets are designed to enhance HD 3D renders, creating lifelike backgrounds full of depth. Imagine walking through rich landscapes, where every detail is vividly brought to life in high definition. Game developers can elevate their projects with breathtaking visuals that captivate audiences and players alike. From serene forests to bustling cityscapes, these environments offer endless possibilities for creativity and storytelling. With HDR technology, colors become vibrant, shadows more pronounced, enhancing realism in every scene. Each asset is meticulously crafted, ensuring that your virtual worlds feel authentic and visually stunning. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your game backgrounds and VR spaces with these assets. Whether you're an artist or a developer, these resources are invaluable to realizing your creative vision. Unlock your imagination and step into a realm where your ideas can flourish in breathtaking detail.